I came across this video today. Samsung is actually coming out with their own screen protectors for the S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. It's, I think, the first time Samsung's ever come out with their own screen protector accessory, which I think is pretty cool, but yet it's very ironic that it's taken them this many years to actually come out with a screen protector. Now, I'm kind of keen on it because I feel like it's going to be extremely pricey because it has the Samsung brand to it. I already ordered some other screen protectors just in case the price of this screen protector is going to be too much, and yet they don't even have it coming out yet. It's coming soon. So when it's coming soon, you would think that they would have it ready to go, but I guess not. So let's go ahead and watch this video. This is pretty much how you apply the screen protector, and that's everything that's included. So they have this little module that you set the phone on, which is extremely awesome. That doesn't look like a wet wipe to me, but that's okay. You're using that on a brand new phone. You still have that little film on it, right? Yeah. So I do love the notches that they have at the bottom to align your phone. That's really ingenious. Most of the time they give you like little markers, you put it here, put there, and everything. And then it's a typical application to put the rest of the screen protector on. You just use the little card and flip it up, puts it on, no bubbles, no problem. And you have a little front film, I assume, on these. Am I correct? Yeah, there we go. There's the front film, and voila, you have a brand new protected screen ready to go. And that's it. I'm still kind of curious on the pricing. Is it going to be sub $10 or is it going to be closer to 30? Some reason I feel like it's going to be 30 bucks. I don't know why. I just have a gut feeling it is. Are you guys excited about Samsung coming out with their own screen protector? And let me know in the comments below. And other than that, we have the phone case coming in a couple days, as well as the screen protectors that I got. Obviously, I'm going to show the case. I guess I can show you an unboxing of the screen protectors, but I mean, I have nothing to put it on because our phones don't come until at least the 25th, hopefully a little before, but we'll see how that goes. Anyways, guys, take care. Hope to see you soon. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. It would really help me out with my goal this year. And let's keep these videos rolling. So hope you take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.